Hi property viewers and welcome back to another property tour. Today I will be showcasing another property. It's a townhouse with 4 units located in New Manila, Quezon City. So let's go. So you have this gate here. Then upon entry, you will be welcomed by your 4 units. So this is townhouse number 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, pare-parehas lang yung layout nila and yung floor area and yung lot area. But I'll be showing you this house on my right. So you have 2 parking slots provision here. So it can accommodate 2 big cars. Then this has 4 floors. So dito muna tayo sa kabila. On this side, you have bedroom number 1 or your guest room. Actually, naayos pa yung townhouse. So makikita nyo, hindi pa talaga siya totally finished. So, this is bedroom number 1. You can turn this into a guest room, or if ever you have a family or member of a family na gusto sa ground floor located yung room, this is the room or best room na pwede natin ibigay sa kanila. This room, it comes with a toilet and bath naman. It is on this side. You have your basic fixtures here. You have your sink, your toilet bowl or your water closet, then your shower area. Then, on this ground floor, andito din yung maid's quarter. So, you have your maid's quarter here. It's a small room, enough for 1 or 2, basta bunk beds ilalagay. Yung toilet and bath for your maids or for your staff. Then, you have your utility or your service kitchen here. Then, this is your washing machine provision. So, hello. So, welcome to the main property. So, kanina pinakita ko yung sa bedroom number 1 and maid's quarter. So, this is the access going dito mismo sa actual house. So this is your welcoming area or your foyer. Then, yun yung main door natin kung saan galing yung cameraman natin coming from the parking area. Now, let's go to the second floor. Upon arrival on the second floor, you have this standalone air condition here. So it comes with the property when you purchase the property. Then you have your powder room here. Then this is your open layout for your living area or your living space, your dining, and your kitchen area. And then, of course, di ba may AC tayo? Guys, may AC pa rin dito. And then you have ample windows giving you this more natural light. So if i-open natin, for sure, presko dito kasi wala masyadong buildings dito sa front. So, airy yung house natin. So, they have this accent wall here. You have your U-type layout na kitchen. So, you have your countertop, your double sink here. Then, you have ample cabinets here na laminated and lower cabinets. Comes with a gas stove here. Then, you have an oven and your range hood. So, if you're curious kung ano ba yung nandito, this is actually a utility room. So, the property comes with a CCTV. So, dito yung monitors. And then, nandito naman yung breakers natin ng house. Ang maganda sa location na to, this is very near to Robinson's Magnolia, SM, and then St. Luke's, malapit din tayo. And then Green Hills, malapit din also the Araneta Center, super lapit lang. And then also meron din malapit na church on this area. So dito, we have your small balcony. So this is facing dito sa Main Street. So mataas lang yung walling natin dito. Then facing siya dito sa tapat ng house sa Victoria Ave. And then, what I like about the property, napaka-tahimik ng area, alam mong safe, and then siguro mas maganda alam mo, tumira dito kung kasama niyo yung, since 4 townhouses siya. So, siguro best to sa mga big family na kayang bilhin lahat na to. At least magkakasama pa rin kayo with different houses. So, that's one of my idea sa mga gustong bumili ng houses na gustong magkakasama. Now, let's head to the third floor. You have these wooden stairs here, your glass railing with wooden handle here. Then again, you have this common area or pwedeng entertainment area. It's a small area upon arriving dito sa third floor. On the third floor, you have your master or your primary bedroom. So, dito sa floor na to, exclusive na ito lang talaga yung room. So, you have this laminated na flooring and then you have windows here na surrounded on your bedroom. So, then, this is facing doon sa street ulit, dito sa front ng house. Then, it comes with an air condition. And then, for the ceiling, it's really high. You have these cove lights already. Then, you have this big walk-in closet here. So, hindi ka maubusan ng space or storage. And then, you have this ensuite bathroom na may the air condition din dito sa bathroom. You have your tub. You have your shower area and your water closet. O, di ba? Hindi lang siyang basta tub. So, meron siyang mga features na pwede natin gamitin if you want to use the tub. Now, let's head to the fourth floor. And kahit dito sa stairs sa banda, marami pa ring window glass or there's a big window glass almost floor to ceiling height. So, maganda yung pasok ng lighting talaga ng house. Then again, on the fourth floor, you have this welcoming area here or your common area. And then dito nakalocate yung 2 bedrooms. So, in total, yung house, it has 4 bedrooms. So, one sa ground floor, and then the master sa third floor, and then the third and fourth dito sa fourth floor. So, this is bedroom number 3. So, upon arriving on the bedroom number 3, you have your own bathroom here, your water closet, your sink, and your shower area, and those fixtures. Then, you have this room with a cabinet here from floor to ceiling height. It comes with an air condition as well. And then, yung flooring natin, it's a laminated flooring. Actually, king-size bed. Kakasya din dito sa small room. Then, you have this window facing dito sa front ng house. So, that's bedroom number 3. Then, for the last one, this is bedroom number 4. Of course, you have your own toilet and bath. The difference ng bedroom number 3 is yung closet niya or yung cabinets nandito sa loob ng bathroom. So, giving you this parang mini walk-in closet here. Then, you have your sink with napakahabang countertop. And then, you have your water closet and your shower area, which is fully enclosed. Then, it has the same finish. You have this laminated flooring with big area for your bed. You have your air condition here. Then, of course, your windows. This is facing dito ulit sa street. So, giving you this more natural light dito sa house. So, that's the full tour of this house. Again, this is a property with 4 units of townhouses located in New Manila, Quezon City. So, if ever you are looking for this type of property, you can contact us through our contact details provided in the description box below. Again, this is your host, Serial Torem, and see you on our next property tour.